Wow. It was like overnight, all of a sudden we had framing going up. Check out the progress on our new home build. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗍𝗬𝗟, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. They got all this framing up today. RV garage is going to be probably a month or more out before they erect that. But let's go over and take a look at the framing. Getting to the house is a little tricky because it is muddy out here. Standing in the screened-in porch. Dave's approaching the living room where the big doors will be coming out here. We wish we weren't an hour away from the house being built because we'd like to stop by more often to see what's going on and just double check things. As you know, you're always going to find something that you question, or maybe there's a measurement that's off, but these guys are pretty well on it. But we did find a couple things. Bathtub measures out at
5'6", 5'8" on a rough.
It ain't going to work.
Nope.
What about the toilet area here?
Well, this is 19 and a half to here, so that'd be 19 there. You've got 24 here.
That's where it's messed up.
That's where it's screwed up. This wall's got to come over.
The
100 inches.
The front office.
Front office, yeah.
And it's supposed to be a 48. In the master bathroom, this is supposed to be a pony wall right here next to the toilet. The floor where the hot water tank goes is supposed to be level with the garage floor. And I know that was on the print. So we contacted Eddie, our contractor, and he already knew about these issues and was working on them. Tell you what, Eddie doesn't put up with any crap, and he makes sure you get what you want. Boy, the rooms look so much bigger now. And with that living room going up to 10 foot and then additional tray, that's going to be nice. I'm standing at the front door, and as you come into the foyer, there's the office right here with the closet. Got a coat closet over here, entrance to the bathroom here, and then entrance to the guest bedroom here. Guest bedroom closet, and then they have their own door into the bathroom where there will be a 6-foot tub, your toilet, a linen, and a sink. Coming back out past the coat closet, up back to the foyer. Here's the living room. There'll be 2 windows over there on either side of a fireplace. That will be sliding doors to go to the back screen porch. That is power in the floor to plug in recliners and anything else you might need power for, a lamp or whatever. It's the kitchen over here. There's where the island is. Over here is going to be the coffee bar, refrigerator, microwave. Back wall will be the range with the pot filler. There's the dining area. Lots of windows. And wide hallway to the primary bedroom. And here is the pantry. Then we'll have a sliding door going out with a transom above, which I think that's not the right size. I have to double check. And then this will lead into the bathroom. There's the shower. And double vanity. And that wall is supposed to be a pony wall. The toilet's right there. And then there's space for a linen closet across from the toilet. And then coming into the closet. And I think that's big enough. Then coming back to through the bathroom, past the toilet. This will be the laundry room, which will have a door leading over to the RV garage. This goes into the mudroom. And this mudroom leads into the garage. A little over a 2-car garage. Wow, we got trusses everywhere. Holy moly. Everywhere but on the house.
Yeah.
There's the RV garage floor. They'll be coming out to inspect the concrete pretty soon before they erect the metal building. Got stuff everywhere. More over here. It's everywhere. Wow. You were here yesterday, there were no trusses up. 12 hours later, holy moly. What the heck is that?
Turkey.
Turkey?
I think it's a baby turkey.
Whoa, that boom is extended at 127 feet. So this is looking at it from the driveway, the exit driveway. Pretty cool. That's the front of the house. Bedroom, bathroom, and living room screen porch. That's the screened-in porch. On another note, the metals company putting up the RV garage came out to verify the slab was ready to go, and we got approval. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.